Okay, I would totally go on that rig. It's amazing. And all of the white you can see is a glacier. It's huge. It's just amazing to see like the mist coming up on it. You don't even know what you're about to see. What? That's amazing. Yeah. Apparently the lower viewpoint you get quite wet. So, this bust is of the person who helped save this from being a hydroelectric dam. Yeah. This place is so cool. I love how like you're driving along and there's like a single lane bridge over like this brilliant blue water.
That's amazing.
Let's just take a little hike.
You said you wanted to take a walk.
I did. I'm going to check out the gorge. Oh, wow. And this is cool. You can see right on the gorge here. This is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. This place is amazing, and we have it all to ourselves. They built this little hut so they could wash sheep. Hi, gorgeous. That's the thing for sheep bathing.
Isn't that funny?
Isn't that cute?
How do you get them in there? They must have screamed.
I think it's the like cat girl. Humans are bigger than sheep.
Right.
That's beautiful. Sweet little spot. You can see the church and the glacier in the distance.